Now, Apna Dal has raised questions over the recruitment process in the UP government, and especially when it comes to jobs that have been given on the basis of interviews. MOF's Health and Family Welfare leader and Minister Anupriya Patel has now penned a letter to UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath claiming that the reserved category vacancies sometimes are being filled by general category candidates.
बड़ा आरक्षण एक ऐसा मुद्दा है कि आरक्षण के विषय पर माननीय योगी जी अक्सर आवाज उठाते रहे। मतलब हमारे निषादों को सदन में कि इनकी दशा खराब है, ये इसके दायरे में आते हैं और हम भी उठा उसका नतीजा कि आरक्षण का भय दिखाकर देखो 37 सीटें समाजवादी पार्टी ने कि आरक्षण खत्म हो जाएगा। तो एक आरक्षण बड़ा एक गंभीर मुद्दा है। महिलाओं को आरक्षण की जरूरत थी, लिखा गया अपर कास्ट को, तो ये निषादों के भी आरक्षण जो है, जो विसंगति है वो दूर होनी चाहिए। आखिर राष्ट्र हम संविधान के सूचीबद्ध हैं, मझवार गौड़ तरेया खरवार बेलर पूरी 7 नाम। अगर मेरा नाम संविधान के अनुसार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नोटिफिकेशन हो कि हमारी गिनती 1961 में 70 लाख थी और हमारे नाम को बिना सदन में बहस के हमारे ओबीसी में डाल दिया, तो हमने 7000 कर दिया। ओबीसी से भी 16 दिसंबर 2031 को 31 दिसंबर 2016 को सपा ने उसको ओबीसी से निकाल दिया। तो ये निषाद ऐसे लटके रहेंगे।
Well, Adip, if you can take a question on this development as well, this letter that has now been written by a minister to the UP Chief Minister, what has she been raising the concerns, especially when it comes to the reserved category not getting the jobs?
Well, definitely the Union Minister and the ally of NDA, Apna Dal, the leader of Apna Dal, Anupriya Patel, has written a 2-page letter to Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath in which she says, first she expresses that how central government being led by Prime Minister Modi is giving jobs to those the candidates of the reserve community, and they are getting jobs, but she raises the concern in the state of Uttar Pradesh that the candidates and aspirants of the reserve category, they are not getting the job. The portal of this particular job, the government jobs, whenever any candidate is applying for the job, the portal is mentioning them as not found suitable candidate, and after applying for 2 to 3 times, when the candidate again applies for it, the reserve seat turns into a general category seat. This is how Anupriya Patel has leveled allegations and has asked CM Yogi Adityanath to intervene in this matter and to stop it immediately. The politics is playing around it. Samajwadi Party has raised its attack on the NDA. Samajwadi Party is saying that the PDA formula has worked out so well in Uttar Pradesh that now the NDA allies are talking about the reservation openly, and they have come out in front. In fact, Sanjay Nishad, who's the Nishad party chief, another ally of NDA, he is also saying that whoever was against the reservation, or whoever ignores the reservation has suffered the losses. And in fact, he went on to say that BJP has already suffered the loss in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
As far as when it comes to the opposition in the state had made electoral gains because they led with a narrative that if BJP comes to power, then reservation will end, and that is why we're looking at a favorable mandate that went to the opposition, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh, because this letter from the BJP ally has also armed the India bloc now that is gunning for the BJP government, calling it anti-Dalit, anti-Muslim, and also demanding a probe into the matter.
लगातार इंडिया अलायंस जो है वो कास्ट बेस्ड सेंसस को लेकर जोर दे रहा है, लेकिन यूपी में एसटी ओबीसी के साथ कुछ अत्याचार हो रहा है, ऐसा आरोप जो केंद्र मंत्री हैं उनके द्वारा लगाया जा रहा है।
ठीक है, आप केंद्रीय मंत्री है, जांच करो।
I agree with Madam Patel. She is herself a part of the government. In spite of that, if she is raising this important question, it is very, very important. And definitely whatever she has saying and she has written, it is true. Not only OBC and SC, ST, even Muslim community are not being given any representation.